देखो बात करो, ये देखो। हाय पांड्यन।
मत हो ये
See, we are just enjoying today. JBR is a very nice place in Dubai. So
No, that's too much salt water. Okay, not come here. When you come here, bring your girlfriend. That should go to. Okay? Otherwise, don't come here.
if you have girlfriend, guys, then you should be take your girlfriend here because this is very nice place.
चांगला ओळ्या म्हणून रॉक ना पकडा.
चलो जाओ। लगाओ उसमें लगाओ। This guy's name is Guruji. Is very nice guys. Okay, and he's also enjoyable guys. Indian. Just say hi. Hi. Pandian, actually we are just visit here in Dubai right now as a GBR camp. So tell me something about. Thank you for your support. We should be enjoy today.
You driver, you come to in Dubai. Yeah.
Okay, tell me something about GBR that enjoying moment.
Want to enjoy? No, that's too.
Tell me na, here is camera.
Parking too much problem. You know that.